Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this beancurd recipe. Come, let's go to the recipe.
I'm boiling this 800 milliliter of soy milk. Once it starts to boil, I'll bring over and pour it on top of that mixture.
The recording has stopped, so this is a mixture of 1/4 teaspoon of GDL, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 1.5 tablespoon of water. So I have to mix them well. So after mixing them well, just swirl them around the pan because the soya bean milk that I'm using is about 800 ml. So I'm going to leave here and I have to pour it from top about 2 feet high. You have to prepare them fast. Okay, so it's boiling on the stove. I'm going to bring it over here. So it's boiling. Now I'm going to pour. This is boiling. I'm going to pour from the top. I put a paper towel and I'm going to close it. So I'm going to set this aside for about at least 1 hour. Now I'm going to do the syrup. For this, I need 1 cup of water. To this, I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of sugar. And I'm going to put in the pandan leaf. This is frozen pandan leaf. I'm going to switch on. And I'm going to sprinkle in some salt. Just a tinge. Little bit. Simmer this until the sugar dissolves. You don't have to have the heat so high, just put a medium. So this is the beancurd. There's some water in the, I'm just going to pour it back. We actually don't need the water, so because we're going to pour the syrup. We're going to pour the syrup. Try, share with your friends. Let me know in the comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I shall see you in my next upload. Bye.